I am Chandrakant Gaikwad from Horizon Properties, Pune. I have been in the business since 1991 and entered real estate field in 2006. I have mainly worked in residential, commercial properties, joint ventures and TDR. Ours is professionally managed Maharera registered GST compliant consultancy firm. We are centrally located at MG Road, which comes in Pune eastern part. So we are looking at the properties which are located from Aun to Kharadi, Bhimanagar to Kondwa, Market Yard, Bibwewadi. We have ample database of nearly 300 plus direct owners of flats, shops, showroom, offices, IT setups with us. Generally, when someone has extra fund, then he has got options of investing it in bank, shares, mutual funds or gold. But real estate is one of the best options where you can get comparable interest and much appreciation of your property. We have got nearly 40 different kind of commercial pre-lease properties, which includes bank, showroom, offices, hotels, where you can expect 5 to 9% return on investment. We are specialized in transferable development rights, which is commonly known as TDR. TDR is nothing but a virtual space which a builder can buy from the market to expand vertically. There are two different kinds of TDR. One is regular one and another is slum TDR. We have got nearly 2 lakh square feet of regular TDR and 2 lakh square feet of slum TDR readily available with us. We are associated with Vasudha Buildcon, Raviraj Group, Sobha Developers, Sabri Sanjeevani Builders.
I'm Nilesh Mehta, Director of Amba Group. Mr. Chandrakant Gaikwad, the real estate agent, has been associated with my company since last 15 years, and I recommend him to others for real estate services if anyone requires. He being very sincere, reliable and trustworthy, and we had many successful deals through him in TDR and properties. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Manoj Izantakar. I am from Pune, Gangadham. I had a property on the Lakshmi Road. It's a commercial property which I recently sold it out at a very good bargain. Mr. Chandrakant Gaikwad from Horizon Properties has helped me to sell out this property at a good bargain. The entire process of selling is very transparent, and I'm absolutely happy with his services. I'll definitely recommend Mr. Chandrakant Gaikwad and his company Horizon Services to all other my friends. Thank you.
Good afternoon, this is Sahil Pradhan from Ananta Realty. Mr. Gaikwad has been my close associate for last about almost 5 to 6 years. When it comes to Mr. Gaikwad, he is very transparent with his transactions, be it with regards to selling of TDR or be it with regards to leasing of commercial properties. I definitely have enjoyed working with him, and I definitely do suggest everybody to have Mr. Gaikwad as a part of the team to make sure that your property gets the best value and the best rate in the shortest period. I wish Mr. Gaikwad all the best.
Hi, my name is Manish Jassar. As I am also into a real estate from last 1 decade and associated with the Amba Group as one of the partner with Mr. Mehta also. And we know Mr. Gaikwad very well from last couple of years, and we have seen that he is very full of zest and delivered what he says. So he is very prominent to his work and very achievable towards whatever he commits. So according to me, he is not just like a broker, he takes everything personally and then delivers.
Pune city is already transforming into a metro and it is declared as the most livable city in India. We at Horizon Properties Pune are looking for a mutually beneficial relationship with you. We are sure to find the right kind of property as per your requirements.